Hey guys, Spacey here, and my mom's gonna be pissed. It's not something I did. Something my brother was trying to print, I think. Heard the 3D printer going at like 11 or something. At first I thought, oh, it's just this little piece. I looked underneath and oh my god. And it gets worse. Turned it off mid-print so it would stop doing this and wasting God knows how much more filament. Oh boy. Mom's not gonna be happy. And yes, I'm pretty sure I'm sick. Again. Oh boy. That's like a quarter pound of filament. Oh my god, that's really bad. Oh lord. I don't even know what it was trying to make because it failed so bad. What was it even trying to achieve here? I genuinely don't know. Oh, hi, sir. Hi. I'm genuine. Okay, my brother's gonna be in big trouble later. That's fun. I suspect this might be why this happened. I'm not sure what happened here, but all I know is I found it on the print plate. Well, below the print plate, because, yeah, there's a bit of space below it. So it fell down there and got disconnected somehow. Not sure, but I don't know, I found it like this and kind of just took all the crap out. This was already disconnected. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, there's more on the floor, that's nice. Hopefully my mom sees this and doesn't get mad at me because I didn't do it.